You.
I'm also great.
Okay, what are you doing?
And first of all,
Hmm.
nothing. I am just come here, work to come here, sit my room. And first of all, I show you my room.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is my room.
Yeah, that's a very nice room. It's nice.
This is my room. And double bed, but I am alone. I'm stay alone.
Yes, yes.
That's it.
That's great, bro. It's night time.
Thank you.
Yes, it's night time.
It, it is give me Sony company.
Yes, yes.
So do you know Sony company? So very expensive company.
Yes, yes.
So that is facility so many,
Mhm.
but
But
okay lad, no problem.
but
But okay lad.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You give me lots of things you have.
No problem, bro.
But one thing is common, so there is no any Punjabi and no any Indian people in this country.
Sorry,
But one thing is there is no any Punjabi in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
In this country there is no any Punjabi, any Indian. They are living in working here.
Sorry, I not understand.
Mm, I am saying in this country, Nigeria, living so many Indian people and Punjabi people.
Yeah, few people in the Indian, but not a Punjabi. So lot of many people Nepali.
Nepali, yeah.
Do you know Nepali?
Yes, yes, Nepali.
Yeah, lot of people Nepali, but few people in Indian. So and lot of people in Indonesia girl. Lot of
Yes, yes.
so many so many girl Indian girl.
Indian girl living
And
in
not
Punjab.
Indian, Indonesia girl.
Indonesian. Okay.
You know Indonesia.
Yes, yes, yes. It's country.
Yeah.
So
And tell me about what are you doing now?
yes, in this time is a study time, but I'm chatting also because there's something is boring. You are doing. I'm studying there. Something is boring. So I try to different. I'm calling you, and tomorrow I tell you I will call you to video call. So I'm waiting for. But it's night time,
Oh, okay.
so don't worry.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Good.
Uh, are you cooking food?
Man, tell me about your family.
Yeah, tomorrow I tell you. Yeah, my father's doing business.
What kind of business?
Yeah, business means battery. I have a battery uh, shopping. He is selling battery.
Battery. What?
Battery.
I know battery. I understand. But what kind of battery?
There are different types of battery. You know, like all batteries come. I have. So whatever you want, I have.
Okay. You have battery. What do you name? Battery. Not a.
Luminous, luminous. There are lots of battery.
Okay. Yeah, Luminia. Yeah. Inverter.
Inverter, yeah. You have, if you want,
Yeah.
I will give you.
Okay. Whenever I go to India,
Hmm.
so you give me one inverter. Okay. I
Yes,
buy.
yes, yes. This opportunity to
Okay.
for me and my
Okay. Okay.
my brothers doing job in New Delhi. He's doing he's working call center.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm study for BBA. Do you know BBA? Bachelor of Business Administrator. But in this time, the lockdown and all college has been
You so
stopped.
okay, okay. You were so lucky, brother, because you study this time. But I'm not more my study. I'm not much study because I'm so a few happiness. My with family, so many problems. So this reason I'm not study so much. But you so luckily you study and you doing study. Yeah, but. Okay, this reason I am learn to English because I am not more study. So I am only I tell you I 10 class pass. So
Okay, it's college is not required for success or any of the field, but day by day, step by step, learning something new is good for upcoming future. So always
yeah, right,
learn
right.
something, like English spoken, and you can write any book, read any book. Yes, I my passion is writing a
Yeah, yeah,
story.
bro.
So also I'm writing a story. There's no any there is no any shortcut for success. Any whatever you.
Yeah, right, bro,
There is no
right.
importance for degree. Knowledge is most important.
Yeah, not yeah, yeah, right, right. You thinking so very nice, very good. You thinking so. My thinking so also same here.
Yes.
Because
Big.
you not important your degree. First
Yes.
important you have what kind of skill,
Hmm.
what kind of education. So this is important, not a important degrees.
Yes. If
So this
you
is thought very good.
yes, there are lot of success people
And
passionate about learning. Like Elon Musk. Do you know about Elon Musk?
sorry.
Elon Musk is the top 10 richest man in the earth. CEO. Tesla.
Oh,
Tesla, your motor.
yeah, yeah,
Yes, he is owner.
honor, yeah,
Yeah. Tesla, SpaceX. He's South
yeah. But
African. He's South African people. Elon Musk.
oh, South Elon Musk.
Yeah. He's
Okay,
made by electric car.
electric car. Yeah, I am hearing, but I am not confirm.
Okay,
I'm,
okay.
I'm hearing. I'm watch video.
Yes. Elon Musk, you can show your story. He's very inspiration in always learning new things. He's always
Oh,
learning 6 hour day per day. So I'm very
per day.
yes per day. And in richest second no third richest man in the earth in this present time.
Oh, wow.
He's great man, and I'm very uh, impressed about his work. He's very honest
Nice.
and hardworking person. So you also try something new skills, and how can I learn something better,
New thinking.
and communication skills, how can I build this very good idea. But also people say doing
Yeah,
job
yeah.
and sleep, eat food and then work and sleep. But you have something new things, how can I learn? It's very good thing for upcoming future,
Yeah, bro.
because learning never be stop.
Yeah, never be stop.
Yes.
And
Ha.
your mother is a housewife.
Yes, yes. Sometimes I
Yeah,
grow. My
okay.
mother is nurse, but he is escapes the job and come back at home because a house need a woman always. More
Okay,
anything.
that's great. That's great.
Yes. Because I have no, I am enjoy all the times. I'm not any have problems. Do you have any girlfriend?
Yeah, I have, but I have one girlfriend, but
Okay.
this time
Block.
broke up,
Oh, break up.
break up.
Okay, okay, okay. So sad.
Yeah, broke up. So I'm so okay, no problem. But I am here, Malaysia. So one girl request my Facebook account, so I am accepted. She is very nice, and so I'm thought I'm friendship, but
Yes.
I'm working Malaysia. So you one mistake, Sony company so strictly stick rule. You one mistake, so you back go to country. You send go to country.
Okay.
Understand?
What's the mistake? What kind of mistake?
Any kind of mistake like this your girlfriend visit to outside
Okay.
and you go to this is my room, I'm go to outside and any company supervisor any see you and so complain the next day you send to go to your country,
Oh my God.
so very strictly. So very strictly, so very careful work. So Sony company give you so many facility, but Sony company so strictly rule, very strictly rule. So very
Yes, yes. Okay.
uh, bro.
In this situation, you are getting very bored right now because you cannot go
Boss,
any place. You cannot talk to person.